In the tranquil embrace of the Hunza Valley pastures, where the air is crisp and the earth breathes with life, the juniper fungus' sweet fragrance dances on the breeze like whispers from the ancients. Here, amidst the majesty of nature's grandeur, the shaman invokes the spirits, calling upon the wisdom of ages past. As the fragrance of juniper fungus fills the air, let it weave its spell around you, drawing you into the sacred circle of connection. Close your eyes and feel the pulse of the land beneath your feet, the heartbeat of Mother Earth echoing in harmony with your own. In this timeless space, where mountains meet the sky and rivers carve pathways through the valleys, the shaman channels the energies of the cosmos, bridging the gap between the physical and spiritual realms. Through the essence of juniper fungus, they beckon the spirits forth, inviting them to share their insights and blessings with those who seek. Breathe deeply of the fragrant air, allowing it to penetrate your being, cleansing and purifying your spirit with each inhalation. Let go of the distractions of the modern world and surrender to the ancient wisdom that surrounds you. In the silence of the valley, listen for the whispers of the ancestors carried on the wind, their voices like echoes from a distant time. Feel their presence as they gather around, guiding and protecting, illuminating the path to enlightenment. As the shaman dances amidst the juniper-laden air, feel the currents of energy swirling around you, lifting you up and carrying you beyond the confines of ordinary existence. Here, in this sacred space, you are free to explore the depths of your soul and commune with the divine. And as you open yourself to the mysteries of the universe, may the fragrance of juniper fungus be your guide, leading you ever closer to the truth that lies at the heart of all creation.